Oh, it's skipping along because we set out without pre-wash.
It's like a Keymatic. Don't compare a Miele to a Keymatic. All gone. Lovely. There you go.
All you need to do is just get a normal Miele door and just put a sticker on it. I've never actually seen one of these Mieles.
Really?
One I've seen the WS5406. I've seen. I wonder if it has the buzzing Miele motor. Fucking hell, that gave me a fright. That's good wash action, that is.
Yeah, it needs a new seal.
Squeaking a bit?
Yeah, because it's rubbing on the seal.
Oh, is that why?
Yeah, the drum's rubbing on the seal. That's why he said it needs a new seal. Because it's rubbing on the drum.
Just get a W700 series seal for it. That's all it needs.
Because the rubber's rubbing against the drum.
It'll be easy to fix on one of these.
That's good action.
It hasn't got a loud motor, but it does sound quite good. Wow, I'm excited.
I think you're happy you're getting this, isn't you?
Yeah, and he said to me, no, I'll bloody take it. God. So the WM32 and this is going to be very close to each other. I was meant to take Chris's Diamond, I was. But
Yeah, Ben had it then.
to be honest though, I didn't really want that one. I wanted the 9577, I did.
4 million.
More than that. I want a W800 series. There is a W828 out there, but I want a W807. This is essentially a W700 series Miele. Just commercial standard. Shoot. Very salty. Oh, these bloody bugs.
Really cool, he's getting that, isn't it? Oh my god, the top is really hot. Oh yeah, for the sun as well. I really hope that spins.
Spin off the wash, no? Does it spin off? No. Does it spin off the wash? No, it's spinning off.
What was that?
That's pointless somewhat. Oh,
At least the suds are going down.
yeah.
What's that?
That's gone down quite quickly. Drained and a bit spin though.
Draining a bit slowly.
They all do.
Because there's a lot of water. That's why.
No. It's draining faster than one would do.
Oh. Disgusting. Yeah, there is.
Disgusting!
Alright, I'm going to go on to the final bucket, so you want to sort of do something with water.
What's pump sound?
I'll get Tim's in the water. I'm going to go upstairs and look out a module. Oh, is my filter
Module?
leaking?
Module for what?
1100 for random.
Oh.
Okay, so go wrong.
Oh! I love that sound.
Power gun.
Personal power. Oh, that sound.
Definitely does sound different from a normal Miele, yeah.
It's filling while it's slowing down.
How they
Oh, yeah.
should do it. Saves a lot of time.
It does, yeah. Otherwise you've got to wait for it all to absorb all the water again.
Yeah. At least if it does that, it's done most of the sump and a little bit of the drum before it's stopped.
How much is hot water?
Just, I don't actually know. That's cold, that's really cold.
That's something like that. That's all right.
I love the way it goes. Really just... Why is it full of water?
Probably all that. It's like,
It's in its cycle.
Oh.
That's just a stupid design anyway.
that hot point's though, isn't it? The 9.5s leave water in there.
Not always.
Mine.
It's obviously dirty. You need to dishwasher it.
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
Josh, just leave it.
Call that rust.
All the quality.
Good boy.
Thing.
What time do you reckon the Josh should be o'clock?
We said he's going to leave soon, so...
See, you don't live far from me though, innit? You only live like half an hour from me.
Well, I want to be hours away from you when you go to Australia.
3 days away from me. You give you a whole day.
Will you go and visit him, Josh?
Huh?
Will you go and visit him?
No, I'm definitely going to visit him eventually, yeah.
You should do.
Oh, yeah.
It is there.
You see Matt and Elliot then? You can see their collection.
Oh, yeah. Always the final spin. No, it's just always the I can hear it's trying to water lock. Yeah. That's going to go next.
First time we see Miele go psycho. That can't be 1,000.
Not.
About 800.
Yeah. The lid's loose as well.
No, here we are.
Really? Full speed.
Not very fast.
No. It's like 700 or something.
Yeah, it is something like that.
Not good.
I can stop it.
Oh, you still want it?
Well, you know, does need new motor upon them.
It's out of balance.
Yeah.
Turn it off and turn it on again.
No.
Works for everything else. Not
Oh, I'll just skip the spin. Oh well, that's the end of that, isn't it?
Go all the way through it.
the water coming out.
I'll give you water coming up.
You'll have to redistribute all that lot.
Yeah, I'll get there.
You can rinse it again.
It's all pouring out.
Nice one, Chris. It's going to do the same thing over and again.
Oh, little crumble bit. That's what it's like now. If it's got any scent. Oh.
I know.
Oh, it's all, there you go.
Tim! Last bucket! Again!
That's better.
feel?
You like it?
Fruit pastels, chocolate and that.
That one, please.
Yeah, fruit pastels, yeah. Or a toffee and vanilla.
Oh, chocolate nut, please.
Nobody's got that.
No. Don't do like 900 though.
Somebody's staring to it, mate.
Green.
There you go. Miele WS5405. Well, electronic WS5405 is done. Move down to tangles now. This machine doing that. Done. Mm-hmm.